Okay, so this is in Chandler. That's the fire department right there. This is actually behind a museum. Try to get a little bit closer here. I don't know if this is a 3T or a 2T, but it looks like it's been refurbished. That's Route 66 right over there. There's a P like 15 down there, Civil Defense Original. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna go around to get you a view on the side of it too. Safely get around this corner. Wait for these cars and stuff. There's a box right there. Come on. Dang it. I'm trying to get around here, but so much traffic. There it is. There's the box. Then there's more in town, but I don't want to mess with them right now.